Scene opens on a dark, rainy forest. A 1969 Ford Mustang sits abandoned, a relic from another time. It is heavily rusted, with moss creeping over its once proud body and shattered glass littering the interior. The camera slowly pans around the vehicle, capturing the sense of desolation and decay. The lighting is cinematic and moody, highlighting the raindrops tracing paths through the grime on the windows, evoking a powerful feeling of a forgotten legend waiting to be rediscovered. A rapid dynamic montage begins, set to an energetic beat. The scene shifts to a high-tech workshop. The rusted shell of the Mustang is the centerpiece. Robotic arms moving with precision begin to strip away the corroded panels. Sparks erupt in slow motion as a welder meticulously joins new metal, forging a stronger frame. We see close-ups of skilled hands carefully sanding the body, smoothing out decades of damage. The sequence is a flurry of activity, grinding, polishing, and assembling, each shot emphasizing the painstaking process of bringing the machine back from the brink. The camera lingers on the engine being lowered into the chassis, a mechanical heart ready to beat once more. This montage is a testament to the fusion of classic craftsmanship and modern technology, a powerful dance of creation. The music softens, becoming more awe-inspiring. The restored body now hangs suspended in a pristine, brightly lit spray booth. A robotic arm, guided by an expert technician, glides gracefully along the car's iconic lines. It releases a fine mist of deep candy apple red paint. The camera focuses in extreme close-up as the rich, vibrant color coats the surface. Layers are built up, creating an incredible depth. We see the metallic flakes within the paint catch the light, shimmering like hidden jewels. The final clear coat is applied, transforming the finish into a liquid-like high-gloss surface that reflects the entire room like a flawless mirror. The scene captures the artistry and precision of the painting process, turning a metal shell into a work of art. The final scene unfolds as a massive modern garage door rolls up, revealing the golden light of a setting sun. The fully restored 1969 Mustang, now an immaculate vision in deep candy apple red, purrs to life. Its engine roars, a deep and satisfying sound that echoes through the luxurious space. The car glides out onto a breathtaking coastal highway that snakes along dramatic cliffs. The setting sun bathes the scene in a warm, magical glow, making the red paint appear alive and fiery. The Mustang accelerates, its polished chrome glinting as it cruises effortlessly along the open road, a perfect fusion of classic American muscle and timeless beauty reborn. The camera follows, capturing its majestic silhouette against the stunning ocean backdrop. The screen fades to black. White text appears. Subscribe for more transformations.